Accounting is the language of business. If you are learning accounting for the first time, embracing its fundamental concept may be challenging. Mastery of accounting primarily rests in your ability to think critically and synthesize the information as it appears to a given situation. You should approach the learning of accounting the same way you would approach learning a foreign language. It will take time and practice to ensure you remember the concept. Many subdisciplines fall under the umbrella of accounting, but this course will focus on financial accounting. Accounting as a business discipline can be viewed as a system of compiled data. Data should not be confused with information. In accounting, data is the raw transactions or business activity that helps within a business entity. For example, if somebody uses 30,000 of their saving to start a business, this is a point of data. Now that you have this data, what will you do with it? Of course, the answer is accounting. This course will introduce you to financial accounting in preparation for more advanced business topics. Recording financial information in a standard format allows managers, investors, lenders, stakeholders, and regulators to make appropriate decisions. In this chapter, we will look at the information state sorry we will look at the income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flow, and statement of shareholders equity. You will learn how to compile and analyze these financial statements from accounting data you have created. Unit 1: Accounting Environment, Decision Making and Theory. In this introductory unit, you will learn about a variety of fundamental elements of accounting that are crucial to understanding the material in this course. To understand financial accounting, you will need to know the purpose of each of the four basic financial statements, how data is captured and transformed into information, and how the accounting equations seeks to ensure that you are properly recording the data. Throughout this course, you will sorry Throughout this course, we will introduce you to several career opportunities. Consider this information as you explore the viability of accounting as a career and use it to reinform how significant these concepts are to the success of business operations. Completing this unit should take you approximately 10 hours. Upon successful completion of this unit, you will be able to define basic accounting equation, apply the accounting equation to illustrate the impact of business transaction, compare and contrast the basic forms of business organization, explain GAAP rules and their importance in the study of accounting, explored the difference between financial and managerial accounting, summarize the fundamental principles of accounting used in analyzing transactions, explain how to detect fraud risk in accounting function, discuss management responsibilities for monitoring the effectiveness of internal control systems in an organization. Accounting environment. Learning objectives. After studying this introduction, you will be able to define accounting, describe functions performed by accountant, describe employment opportunity in accounting, differentiate between financial and managerial accounting, identify several organizations that have a role in development of financial accounting standard. You have embraced on the challenging and rewarding study of accounting, a old and time-honored discipline. History indicates that all developed society requires certain accounting record. Record keeping in accounting sense is thought to have begun about 4000 BCE. The record keeping, control, verification problems of ancient world had many characteristics similar to those we encounter today. For example, ancient government also kept records of receipts and disbursements and used procedures to check on the honesty and reliability of employees. A study of the evolution of accounting suggests that accounting processes have developed primarily in response to business need. Also, economic progress has affected the development of accounting process. History shows that the higher the level of civilization, the more elaborate accounting method. The emergence of double entry bookkeeping was a crucial event in accounting history. In 1494, a Frankish Franciscan monk Luca Pacioli described the double entry method of Venice system in his text called Summua de Arithmetica Geometric Proportion e Proportione, which means everything about arithmetic, geometry, and proportion. Many consider Pacioli Samoa to be a Pacioli Samoa to be a reworked version of a manuscript that circulated among teachers and pupils of Venetian School of Commerce and Arithmetic. Since Passioni date, the role of accounting and professional accounting organization have expanded in business and society. As a professionals, accountants have a responsibility for placing public service above their commitment to personal economic gain. Completing their obligation to society, accountants have analytical and evaluative skills needed in solution of ever-growing world problem. The special abilities of accountants, their independence and their high ethical standard permit them to make significant and unique contribution to business and the area of public interest. You probably will find that of all the business knowledge you have acquired or will learn, the study of accounting will be the most useful. Your financial and economic decisions as a student and consumer involve accounting information. When you file income tax returns, accounting information helps determine your tax payable. Understanding the discipline of accounting also can influence many of your future professional decisions. You cannot escape the effect of accounting information on your personal and professional life. Every profit-seeking business organization that have economic resource such as money, machinery, building use accounting information. For this reason, accounting is called language of business. Accounting also serves as language providing financial information about not-for-profit organizations such as government, church, charities, fraternities, and hospitals. However, these texts concentrate on accounting for business firm. Accounting system of a profit-seeking business is an important system designed to provide relevant financial information on the resources of a business and the effect of their use. Information is relevant if it has some impact on the decision that must be made. Companies present their relevant information in their financial statement. In preparing this statement, accountants consider the use of information such as owners and creditors and decides decisions and decisions they make that require financial information. As a background for studying accounting, this introduction define accounting and list the functions accountants perform. In addition to surveying employment opportunity in accounting, it differentiates between financial and managerial accounting. Because accounting information must conform to certain standard, we discuss several promise we discuss several prominent organizations contribution to this standard. As we continue your study of accounting in this text, accounting, the language of business, will become your language also. You will realize that you are cons- constantly exposed to accounting information in your everyday life.